Do you know what time it is?
It's grilling time!
That's right. And this time we're grilling a whole chicken.
On a beer can!
What? Oh, it is so tender and so flavorful.
Oh, made even better with some homemade barbecue sauce.
You know it. I tell you, every bite is pure chicken barbecue perfection.
Chicken barbecue
Chicken barbecue. You gotta say it like that if you're making with a beer can. Yay! Hi, everybody. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My chicken man, Loon. Chicken.
Yes.
So we are so excited. We love barbecuing. We love grilling. We love chicken. And we're doing a whole chicken, guys.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
And it's super easy.
It's fun. People will be talking about it. What are you doing on a beer can?
I know. The hardest thing is the rub that you put on there.
And that's not hard. So let's talk about it. So the rub is super easy. So you're going to want to get started at least the night before, because we're going to do what's called air chill.
Yes.
And the longer you do it, it makes the skin really kind of like dried out, but then it makes it really crispy when you cook it. So
it kind of sucks everything in.
And then, okay, so here's the rub. The rub. So in a small bowl, you're going to want to mix together a 1/4 cup of salt. And then we added 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. And then we did
some brown sugar.
A tablespoon. I love to go with dark brown sugar, but you could go with light. And then to that, we added 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. So good. 2 teaspoons of your favorite chili powder. And then we did a teaspoon of ground dry mustard and a teaspoon of onion powder. Get a fork. Fabulous. You mix all that up. And then you've got your whole chicken here. I got an organic chicken here just because, you know, why not? It's delicious. And so I just started to sprinkle it all over here. You want to get it in the cavity. Use your hands to kind of massage it. You want that chicken to feel good and loved.
Did you tell to take out the giblets?
Oh, yes. If there are giblets, and there usually are, be sure to remove them. Yes. How many times have you heard stories of somebody making a turkey with the giblets? Guilty. So anyway, remove the giblets before you sprinkle in the cavity. Yeah. And then put it in the refrigerator. You don't have to cover it or anything like that. Yeah. Like I said, it's a minimum of 8 hours, but 48 hours is really best.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And then obviously we've got to use a Texas beer. This is a Shinerbach. Now I'm just going to... Oh, there we go.
Okay, here, boy, that sound.
Yeah, a bunch of people just started coming running. Hello. All right, and now we got to empty half of it. So, of course, you got to have a red Solo cup. Because if you're cooking a chicken on a beer, you're going to have a red Solo cup.
That's right, and you're not going to...
I'm just going to do half of this.
Not going to let that beer go to waste, right? You're going to. I'm going to drink it.
There
okay.
You go.
I'm going to save this.
Here, a little more.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's an eyeball type thing. And what that beer does, it steams and it flavors and it holds the chicken in place. It's not a culinary masterpiece of a technique.
Here we go.
Okay. All right. Forgive us, chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. So now
we're both going to get a little icky.
Yeah.
There you go.
The chicken is like, whoa. Hello.
There you go. Right there.
How dare you?
And then you use the other two here, kind of as a tripod.
Yeah. Put the little legs together.
See that?
It holds in place amazingly well.
Yeah. All right.
The chicken's like, okay, where are we going?
All right, let's go clean our hands.
I tell you what, we're going to go. We're going to go wash our hands, and then he's heading out to the grill. Okay, it's the Texas heat. We could almost roast this outside, but we've got our grill here.
It is. It's 100 degrees out.
Yay! Perfect.
All right, we got the grill. I'm going to just place this guy on the indirect heat. We've got direct and indirect. Hold on 1 second.
So we got this side of our grill turned on, which is the direct heat. We got this side of our grill over there not turned on. So this is basically going to just act like an oven when we close it.
Yes.
And,
hold on, I'm going to make sure I'm solid.
There we go. Make sure you're solid as a chicken.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh, I am messy. You got to help.
That's okay. Okay. So now that's all there is to it. Now.
Yeah, so did you tell them that's indirect?
Yes.
Or that's direct? This is indirect.
You were fondling the bird when I told them that. Okay. So now we're just going to stick this right into the thickest part. We'll do it over here.
There you go.
The thickest part of the bird, right in the breast. And then we're going to let this, it goes about an hour and 45 minutes, and it's going to come to 165 degrees, and then it's ready to eat. I mean, it's a party.
I'm ready to eat right now. Well, I am dripping.
You're dripping. I think we need to go get some more Shinerbach. Let's do it. We're 165. Yay!
Let's do it. Oh, wow.
Gosh, look at that. Isn't that so much fun?
Oh, wow. All right, I'm going to take
If
this
you've got
out.
a party, you could do like 3 of these, and oh my gosh.
Oh, fabulous. Oops, sorry, I just lost
Now,
that.
we like to use, you'll see Wesley's got his fashionable gloves on.
Yes, because I'm just going to pick it right up.
Pick that baby up.
I'm going to grab the beer can underneath.
Oh.
There we go. All right.
So much fun.
We'll see you on the inside.
We're going to let, oh, I'm so sorry. We're going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes if you're not injured.
Yeah, I'm injured.
Isn't this so much fun? I feel like she's just sitting there going, well, what do we do next?
know.
All right, that is a beautiful chicken on a can.
Yes, I love it.
So we went ahead.
It was so hot out there, y'all.
I know.
It's like 100 degrees.
You survived it.
All
So
right.
what we did, because it's good and juicy, we put it on. If you don't do this, you may get juices all over your board that are going to go everywhere. So we just
Right.
put them in like a baking sheet that has a lip on it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the really fun part, y'all are going to get a giggle out of this, but is removing the can.
Yes.
So it's cooled off enough that I can
All right,
hold.
hold on. Let me just make sure I got it down there. Pull.
Okay, here we go.
Hold on. There we
There
go.
you go.
Woo, you can go.
Okay.
I got it. There we
Okay.
go.
Okay. Well,
Oh,
okay.
here.
Yeah,
Ooh,
it's like surgery.
Woo.
It's really surgical.
All right,
but
here,
anyway.
so let's move this whole thing and
Okay,
put that on to the table.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Yay.
It's so juicy.
Turn it
All
on
right,
its
let
side.
me move this.
Here we go. All right. Oh, there we go, y'all. Look at that. All right. That's a thing of beauty.
It is. It's so amazing. And it was a beer can.
Oh, I broke the little tail off.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
that's good luck, I think. Okay,
all right.
Wesley is our master carver in the house.
yeah, I
he
guess.
does a better job than I do.
I guess so.
So he's gonna
We're gonna
cut
cut off. We're just gonna do the thigh and the leg because we love that dark meat.
behind. Like
It's so
normally
good.
you'd be able to carve this into quarters. And
Let's do it.
if you're like I said, if you're serving this to a crowd, it's so easy to do 3 or 4 of these, and people just flip for it.
Look at that.
Oh,
Easy, easy, easy.
so tender.
All right,
You
Chris,
did
give
a
me a
good
plate.
job. Give me a plate.
Give me a plate.
Well, this is the one you like. Okay.
Doesn't matter.
It's very particular.
There you go. All right, now just put it over there.
Okay.
And now let me get this
Oh,
one
that is beautiful. And
for you.
it's super tender,
It
right?
is super tender. It
Oh
is
my
so
gosh.
tender. It's pitiful. All right,
It's
let's
amazing.
Get that
Just
off.
and
Yeah,
the
it's so
smell.
easy to cut off the thighs and the legs. They just literally fall off.
They
of
fall
it.
off, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Put that there on your. Ooh, look at that.
Wow, that's a doozy.
I love it. All right,
Let's move.
let's eat. Oh, and you got that barbecue sauce already?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Where are you moving that, baby?
I'm putting this between us.
Oh, okay.
We're going to have a world divided by a chicken.
Oh,
Here, hand me my napkins.
okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Hold.
All right. This is my homemade barbecue sauce.
Hold on. Wait. I want to make sure everybody can see this perfectly.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. Hold.
It's not about just the taste, it's about the presentation. But isn't that beautiful? Now we're
All
going to
right.
do some of my
Do it.
homemade barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Oh, boy.
Run down that side. There we go.
I'm loving this. This is
Y'all.
we've got the recipe in the description and in the blog post for the barbecue sauce.
This was so easy.
I know.
Literally, we just rubbed it, let it sit in the fridge for a couple of days.
Yeah, and you whip it.
And then we shoved it on a.
And then you whip up
Beer can.
a beer can, and I know, put it on a can. Whip up some potato salad, pasta salad, and you've got the best barbecue.
Oh, look at that skin is crispy.
The skin is super crispy.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna just have to go into this.
That skin is so crispy. I love it. That's
are
that
you
dry
ready?
line. No. Okay.
Well,
Sorry. I'm just trying to get the best piece.
you're acting like me.
And I'm excited. I'm excited.
Okay, y'all.
That is summer barbecue. That is the definition of summer barbecue.
It's delicious.
It's so moist.
So moist. Look. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 second, guys. I love.
Wow. That meat is so tender.
Sorry. I love the skin. I'm
know.
a skin person. Hold on.
He's
Hold.
got skin on the game, I'll tell you
Hold
that
on.
much. I know, I'm going for a big piece.
Oh, wow. I'm sure they just love sitting here watching us eat. Oh, wow, that is so good. Y'all, look at that. Look how wonderful.
You want to talk about finger licking good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Gorgeous.
This is 10,000% Loon approved.
It's what?
I'm getting tired of saying
10,000. Well, we're on a roll, baby. Roll, baby, roll.
Wow, get yourself a 6-pack and some chicken and have yourself a party.
I can't believe we don't have a can of beer with us. Oh, it's what's missing. All right, you guys, we love you so much. Make some beer can chicken and you're going to love it and have the time of your life.
It's finger licking good.
It is. Bye. I already said that.
Oh, you did?
Okay, bye.